Sebastian Gregerson spent the last 5 months in jail, held without bond after his arrest. The feds claim he's an ISIS sympathizer who shopped for heavy weaponry to carry out jihadi attacks. His attorney claims it's not true and asked for his client's release before the trial. Rod Maloney live downtown with the judge's decision. Rod?
Yeah, Devin, the judge in simple terms said no. One of the conditions of bond is that you can't be a danger to the public, and the judge believes that Gregerson is, in fact, that. 29-year-old Sebastian Gregerson looks quite different today than this picture drawn in court last summer, his ponytail shorn down to a buzz cut. His long beard remains, though, a nod to his Muslim faith. The positions regarding bond in court are quite simple. The defense claims the government is vastly overstating its case, that Gregerson is a so-called prepper, a military historian, an avid hunter, an outdoorsman, and more than anything, conspiracy theorist. His legal possession of a cache of rifles, handguns, and military-style knives, a flare-launching gun, and desire to purchase hand grenades that act as flares, all expressions of self-defense and an anger with law enforcement with whom he sees picking on Muslims. The feds argue Gregerson is an avowed ISIL sympathizer who openly supported the terrorist organization on Facebook and emails and wanted to commit violent acts. That his purchase of military training knives and illegal fragmentation grenades were part of his purpose to prepare himself to commit violent acts, doing what ISIL instructs and prepare for an ongoing battle. They point out he has no valid hunting licenses and was instead accumulating weaponry as part of a long-term plan arming for jihadi war. Judge Tarnow sided with the Fed, saying, quote, "It's not like in a close case we give the citizen the benefit of the doubt. If I'm wrong, it's more than one person affected," end quote. Now, that was despite the fact that Gregerson's wife, with her 2 children who lives in Detroit, offered to take him in, essentially under house arrest, or his father, who lives out near Ann Arbor. The judge said no to all of this. He set a pretrial for April and a trial come May. Reporting live downtown, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
It's a fascinating case to watch play out. All right, Rod.